Okay, everybody. Oops, my mic wants to be nice tonight. That would help. Okay, no, that's going to sound absolutely horrible on the final video. But okay, everybody, something I actually promised you guys and didn't deliver on, at least as of the time of this recording. By the time you're seeing this, I will have finished this. And that is a module on working with TopScan. TopScan is a database utility that allows you to pop open these TPS data files that make up your company information. To access TopScan, there are a few ways to do it, but we're going to do it the easy way today. Why? Because there have been enough accidents and goofs in this lab already. Start a Vericel. Gonna wait for that to come up. Go to the Utilities button down here, and then click on TopScan. This is going to launch the TopSpeed database scanner. And what I'm going to show you is a way to recover a lost or forgotten employee password. Say that I forgot what my password was for the POS user ID, which is the one that has full access to the program, because the one that's mine specifically, CGF, is only a cashier. So if we want to look and we want to see inside that file that contains that, go to File, Open, go to wherever you have your Vericel installed. For me, it's CAVS. In this case, we're going to want to go to Data 2, and we're going to want to find setup.tps. There it is, setup.tps. We're going to be asked for that data file password we set when we created our company, which in this case is demo, D-E-M-O, enter. And this is what you're going to get. I know you're probably going, well, where is the password, Carly? It's down here in this subfile box. If we scroll down, we're looking not for password, but for sales ID. Press enter on sales ID. You're going to get a few of these things here. And as you can see, it creates IDs for your groups, but I forgot my password for POS Manager. There it is, Manager, passwords POS. I forgot my password. There it is, 123123. You can't get much easier than that. That is a look inside TopScan to show you that you can use this to your advantage, actually. Let's actually say I wanted to modify this password through here, but not, for whatever weird reason, I could not modify it through the normal means. I can press enter on the password box, maybe. Oh, no, I can't. Not controlling the virtual machine. Really? We're going to say 321, 321. Enter. Save that file. Close the heck out of there. Close the heck out of there. Go here. Put in CGF. If we try 123123, I don't think it'll work. No, it won't. Oops. 321, 321. And there we are. We are in exactly the way we wanted to be. So let's go ahead and get the fries out of here. And I'm going to show you another TopSpeed trick. The TopScan trick, excuse me. By closing off of this, reopening a Vericel. There are a couple of ways. If you do not want this Blinks Video Game Emporium, you might be halfway tempted to trash it, but I wouldn't, because it's great for playing around and worrying about not breaking things. If you break it, there's a backup in there somewhere. You can either choose to hide the Choose Company screen by checking that box there. It'll just automatically go into your company. Select there, hit that, choose company. The only downside to this is that if you need to reopen a Vericel for any reason and get back to that Choose Company prompt, you're going to need to be able to get into your company files to do so. Of course, there's a workaround for that. It's called hold down the Shift key when you start up a Vericel, like I'm about ready to do. Because we're going to show you another trick in TopScan. Click and hold, and there's our Choose Company screen, exactly what we wanted. And we're going to go to Utilities, TopScan. Actually, before we do Utilities TopScan, I want to show you something. If we go to Michaela.net Demo Store, POS, go to File, System, Company, you'll notice that we cannot change our company name, our address line 1, or pretty much any of this information. It's grayed out. We can't edit it. No matter what I try to do, we cannot edit this to save our lives. We cannot edit our name, address 1, address 2, city, state, or our zip code. Yes, we can actually, but not through this interface. A word of caution that changing this will mess up your registration codes, so the only time you should come in through this method and change these is if your store has moved. Hey, hopefully you've got a better retail environment than what I've got here at my house, right? Hopefully a better store than I've got. So, to make that happen, we're going to see, is that going to like me, or am I going to be... Yes, I am going to get sent right back into my company, so I do need the shift trick. Make this work. Right as soon as I see that, hold the shift. Okay, boom. Utilities, TopScan, and we want to file, open, go to AVS, which is the directory, and find compny.tps. Yes, that's exactly the file we want. Open this out. Here is what controls that Choose Company screen. What we're going to do is we're going to firstly make blinks not show up right at the very first. So we're going to find blinks, and we're going to say ZZ, enter. If we wanted to change, if we wanted to update our company's address from 123 Fake Street, I know you can barely see that, so you can go to columns, auto fit all, then we can see exactly what we want. So let's say we moved from 123 Fake Street to 5501 or 5502 Goof Street. No, Goof Avenue. Suite B. So we had to go to MAD2 and say STE.B. Merced, California, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Click Save. Get the hell out of here. Get out of there. Close, close. Go back to a Vericel. And we'll notice that Michaela.net demo store is the one that's on top. And ZZ Blinks is not the thing it picks by default. So let's select this company, plug in our ID, plug in our password. You'll notice that down here on the status bar, it says that we are on the Vericel edition, single user, because when we changed our address, because we moved, that undid our registration codes, and we're going to need to reissue them. And to show that we've successfully changed our address information, if we go in here to File, System, and Company, you can see Michaela.net Demo Store, 5502 Goof Avenue, Suite B, Merced, California, 12345. So yes, we have succeeded in changing that. We can copy this and reissue the registration codes for our new store address, because we need to do that. Let's maybe do OK. If we look under Help and Registration, we have been deregistered. Shut up, cat. And so there we go. Those are a few top speed tricks for if you've moved and you want to keep maintaining your existing inventory files and working with the Choose Company screen to modify it. Oh, and if you want that Choose Company screen back, go to File, System, Company, and you want to select a company at startup. So you need to activate that box right there. Okay. And if I zoom out and quit, and what the heck's going on here? Let's see. Oh, I was about ready to VMware out. Not what I wanted. Oh, no, get out of there. Yeah. Close out of that. Try this again. And my mom just walked in the door. Thank you.
Did you finish?
Still working on something.
Okay, I brought you some meatloaf and some
Thank you, Mom.
mashed potatoes and gravy.
Okay, so if we click on a Vericel, Mom brought in dinner. Thank you, Mom. Thanks, Mom. Okay, if we click on here, our Choose Company screen is back. So, there we go. TopScan tricks. And if I can think of anything else to stick on here, I'll do it. But I think that's it for now, and I'll go get these uploaded. Thanks for watching, guys. And I will hopefully see you in the next one if I have more updates. Bye!